Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quang Anh Software channel. If you're doing Twitter marketing, but your posts aren't engaging, they're not recommended. So the problem isn't poor content, it's a lack of initial engagement. In this video I will show you how to retweet, like seeding posts on Twitter completely automatically, using MKTX software, and I'm going to share with you some of the things that Twitter's algorithm prioritizes. This is the main interface of the software. You will choose the seeding function. The software will help you manage unlimited Twitter accounts. Use your Twitter account like a real person. You will get the ID of the post. Then add the common seeding content and select the option according to your needs, such as like post retweet. Next, you will select Give Me Twitter Accounts and click Start. For Twitter, the Twitter algorithm now prioritizes speed and quality, with early engagement. For example, after you post this, retweet in the first 5 to 30 minutes, and from accounts that have the same subject matter, and those accounts are all accounts with real activity history. If a tweet gets engaged early, it's going to be distributed many times more widely. If you're doing it manually, you're going to have 3 big problems. Like this one, is that you will spend a lot of time to feed a large number of accounts. Like seeding manual post is very time-consuming. The number of accounts you have is not enough. 3 is prone to repeat and natural behavior, also known as spam behavior. This is why so many people quit Twitter, even though the platform is growing so much. Then to solve this problem, you can refer to and use this MKTX software. The software will help you interact with Twitter automatically as real users. MKTX does not spam, does not massively interact, but properly simulates how real users behave. Always mill it. As you can see, the software is running to open Twitter accounts. We'll go to the exact post you want to, like the post, retweet and comment on the post to increase engagement. I will check the post soon. You can see that there have been likes, there have been comments, there have been reboots, and these interactions are just like real users. Platform, it will evaluate which of your articles are of interest and will distribute to more users. If you are interested in the software, please contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp to below the description. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the latest videos. Thank you and see you in the next video.